by and take a look at the 2017 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.